Okay, I've created my revolve part. I now need to create the boss, one of these spokes, then I can pattern it 3 times around, the tap tool, and the keyway. They're all independent operations. So next, I'll do this boss. To do the boss, I'm going to select this face, reference geometry, plane, and I'm going to create a plane on that. My plane's fully defined. I'm going to look normal to that. I'm going to look the other normal too, so I'm facing this way, and I'm going to create a boss on it. So I'm going to do a couple of things. I'm going to convert this edge, and I'll trim that out later. And from that edge, again, I'm going to sketch a 3-point circle. So here I see a 3-point circle. It's locked to this edge, and I'm just going to start over here, get that circle, and I can zoom in on this and trim it out. So I'm going to go trim, power trim, and I'll just clean this up. So the next thing I need to do is see what I'm given. Here I have a 5/16 radius. So I'm going to activate Smart Dimension. And I'll dimension this radius 5/16. So I have my fully defined sketch. I'm just going to rotate a bit and zoom out. Exit the sketch. My end condition, I want to go up to this part, so I can try up the body. So if I do up the body and I choose this, I'm going to rotate around, make sure it didn't do anything foolish here, and it looks good. The other option I could try is up the surface. And again, choose that face, and again, that looks to have a good preview. And that'll work. So I've joined these. I still have 2 solid bodies. 1 solid body here and 1 solid body here.